Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach with another beautiful brokerage listing for you guys today. This one is a 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. It's in fabulous condition, appointed extremely well, dry stack kept its whole life, so no bottom paint, one owner boat with some extended warranty left over. Powered by the 115, which is the preferred over the 90. It's got the fishing package, the Teak package, the bow cushion, the bimini, touchscreen Raymarine unit, hydraulic steering. Beautiful boat. Teak on the swim platform and both port and starboard for boarding. This boat does also have the aft corner seats and cushions. Those are kept in the garage just to maintain the quality of them. Quick look at the dash. Classic Montauk steering wheel, stainless. Raymarine touchscreen unit. All your switches and Mercury gauges, shifter and throttle, Bluetooth stereo unit with 2 JL audio speakers, as well as another control up on the bow. Bow cushions with fish box under one, anchor locker under the other. You can see that in the pictures. Beautiful condition. Not just the boat in general, but the upholstery, the teak. Very clean. It's adjustable helm chair. Has 4 different positions. And at this position, you gain access to the livewell. Also acts as a nice hangout area where you can face your guests if they are using those aft seats. Bimini provides lots of shade for you while you're underway or at anchor. Like I said, no bottom paint on this boat. White gel coat with the red logos. Looks really nice, especially with that Mercury 115 on the back. Like I said, this does have the transferable limited extended warranty. Just about 200 hours on the motor. Very well kept boat. Classic Whaler model, 17 Montauk. This boat does not come with a trailer, but if you guys require one, be happy to help you get one here locally or get you in contact with marine transporters. '17 Montauk, 2020. Beautiful boat. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, with this 2020 17 Montauk. Thanks, guys. Let's get you out on the water.